with everything in life. When you're looking for love, when you're constantly looking for a girlfriend and wanting that, it won't come. It comes when you're least expecting it and when you're focused on just living your life and enjoying what you need to be doing. And then love enters your life at an unexpected time, but also the perfect time. First thing we do when we start trading is immediately set an expectation and an intention. And that expectation and intention is I want to make a bunch of money. And when you go into the market with the intention of wanting to make a bunch of money, that source and that ideology is what causes all the emotion, what causes the bad negative effects, right? Like we just talked about. So I want you to ask yourself, and what you realize is every problem that you've ever had in life and every problem that you've ever had in trading is all because of the initial intention. For example, a lot of the problems when you see yourself, when you overtrade, when you over leverage, when you jump in too late, when you jump in too early, when you force trades, all of the problems you have goes back to what I call the source. And that source is what made you cause that, what made you think or make that decision in the first place. And let's think about that for a second. Let's talk about FOMO, for example. You enter the market, you're looking for a trade, the market ends up pumping without you, and you end up jumping in way too late when you know you shouldn't, but you just do it because you're focused on making money. When you track that all the way back to the source of why you made that decision, you're more focused on making money than anything else. You want to make money. You're forcing it. You're striving for it. And we say, okay, what are the actual things that makes a profitable trader? What are the things that makes somebody who consistently makes money in the long run? Habits. When you go to the market and you focus on building good habits every single day and that's it, you learn to build satisfaction from doing what you should be doing. And when you learn to build satisfaction off of building good habits, your scaling in trading becomes significantly faster and your improvement becomes significantly faster. Same thing goes with wanting to make money. People that, just want to make money at a young age and, whether that be trading, e-commerce, business, whatever that is, they focus more on the idea of making money than just starting, just learning, open up a book, read, ask questions, go, watch YouTube videos, all these things. It's like the idea of just sitting here and over contemplating what the first step is the reason why you're fucking failing, because you're not submitting to the actual process itself. When you submit, you just let yourself take one foot after the other, you will fall into that path and you will go on your way. It's already set in stone. And when you align yourself and you become an observer, everything falls into place perfectly at the perfect time it needs to. And again, this is an idea that you really can't comprehend or believe until you end up experiencing it.